Welcome to Project Secrets and Planning. Here you will learn Primavera P6 and Advanced Planning Engineering.
Assalamu alaikum and hello. Welcome to Project Secrets and Planning Lecture 1. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hey Aisha, this is the first lecture regarding planning engineers, their career in Pakistan, introduction of Primavera P6 and planning. These are the list of topics which we are going to discuss in details. Introduction to Primavera P6. Required background knowledge. Purpose of planning. Project planning metrics. Planning cycle. Levels of planning. Monitoring and controlling a project.
But sir, before starting, let me know about what planning engineers do and their careers in Pakistan.
Good question. Planning engineers are responsible for planning and coordinating the materials, plant, equipment and labor for construction projects. They gathered information from estimators, buyers and quantity surveyors to plan a contract program, scheduling the project in the most logical and economic way. The work is mainly office-based, involving extensive use of computers, but also includes visits to sites which may be cold, dirty, dusty and noisy. This involves long or short stays away from home and a considerable degree of travel. Those who have strong background of construction projects and understand the activity steps, estimated duration etc. will be suitable for this post. Talking about their careers in Pakistan. In my previous video, I had shown you different local contractor companies who not only work in oil and gas area, but also in different sectors. Planning engineers are a highly demanding position for those projectized companies and offer good enough salaries to those who have at least 2 to 3 years site experience and know the usage of Primavera P6 software.
And sir, what about the salaries? How much they offer us?
Depending on the experience, planning engineers have very good salary package in Pakistan as well. Okay, tell me, what is Primavera P6?
It is a software tool used for planning, monitoring and control of a project.
Aha. Good. To develop a schedule, you have to create WBS, work breakdown structure, list of activities, assign calendars, create and assign resources, and make activities relationship. Now, what prerequisite skills you should have before doing planning? You should be proficient in computer skills. You should be competent in using Microsoft Office, especially in Excel. And you should be aware of how projects are managed, and project phases, their execution steps. Now talking about planning purpose. The ultimate purpose of planning is to build a model that enables you to predict which activities and resources are critical to the timely completion of the project. Strategies may then be implemented to ensure that these activities and resources are managed properly. Now tell me the aims of planning, Aisha.
Identify the total scope of the project and plan to deliver it. Identify outputs of a project under a logical breakdown. Identify and optimize the use of resources and evaluate if target dates may be met. Identify risks, plan to minimize them and set priorities. Create a baseline plan, against which progress is measured.
Exactly.
Sir, tell me how planning helps us?
Yes, Aisha. It helps us until the increased project costs or reduction in scope. Additional changeover. EOT claims against your client. Contractual disputes and associated resolution costs. Loss of a facility and asset in the event of a total project failure.
Okay sir, now moving towards planning metrics. Explain it.
Using Primavera P6 software, we measure time, resource units and cost. These three things are defining amount of scope. Our scope is surrounded by these items. As what you are looking on the screen figure.
And what this figure telling us?
In planning, the cycle runs when the original plan is agreed and the baseline is set. Actually, the baseline is a copy of the original plan used to compare progress. After project planning has ended and execution has begun, the actual progress is monitored and compared to the baseline dates. The progress is then reported and evaluated against the baseline. The plan may be changed by adding or deleting activities and adjusting remaining duration, logic or resources. A revised plan is then published as progress continues. Now, you tell me the levels of planning.
Yes, sir. I know the levels of planning. Level 0 is total project, a single bar spanning the time from start to finish. Level 1 is executive summary, highlighting major project activities, milestones, and key deliverable for the whole project. In Level 2, each of the Level 1 component is further subdivided. When the subdivision continues, give you Level 3 schedule. This is probably the first level that a meaningful critical path network can be drawn. It is also a good level for the project's overall control schedule, while Level 4 is very detailed schedule.
Well explained, Ayesha. Now, I will explain you about the monitoring and control of the project.
I am listening, sir. It is quite interesting.
Aha. Good. In monitoring, we record activities start and finish dates, quality of work done, output produced and whether on time, within planned resources and budget or not, progress percent of ongoing activities. Productivity of resources recorded and applies on same activities which will be held on near future to know the finish date of project. And we amend schedule if any changes occur and record all the necessary data for use in future projects estimation.
Is this just about monitoring, sir?
Yes. Now, talking about control, from progress report in the result of monitoring, management enables to control the project and take decisions on problematic areas. In order to, project execution is on time. Current productivity affects future activities. Forecast problems as SAP enables to take corrective actions. Improve schedule. Obtain data for EOT claims and for dispute resolution.
Aha. Sir, is the introductory class done?
Yes, Ayesha. And thank you to watch the complete video. You can leave now. And Ayesha. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to like and share this video. And subscribe my YouTube channel for next lecture.
Right, sir.